Most men just spend their entire life just rotting away in their rooms, but it has nothing to do with the room itself and everything to do with what you're doing in your bedroom. So I'm gonna lock myself in my room for the next 5 days and show you what you can achieve without ever having to leave your bedroom. Day number 1, you're gonna get rid of your morning routine to induce the flow state. You're gonna stop your morning routines because the first hour after waking up, it's the easiest time for you to enter your flow state. And you don't even know the feeling of your flow state yet or your full potential because you're too busy doing drawn out morning routines. You see, when it comes to preparing in the morning, you got 2 types of guys. The first group, this is the type of dude that just rolls out of bed and then just doom scrolls on social media till he's tired. The second group is the type of dude that does these long drawn out morning routines. They do the ice bath, then they do groundwork outside. Now, while this is better than the first option, it's still not optimal for a guy like you if you're spending most of your time inside your room. That's why you watch those morning routines and you think, man, that's not practical. I don't need to do that in my life. You're right. Instead, you should follow what the most successful men in the world do in their morning routine. You see, when you wake up, your brain is flooded with theta and delta brainwaves. These help you focus on whatever's in front of you. Now, as the day progresses, these brainwaves start to diminish. This means that if you wake up, waste your morning routine, and then you start to work, you're gonna have fewer resources or fewer brainwaves to work with, which is gonna make it increasingly difficult to concentrate. All right, so before you go to bed on day 1, I want you to write down what are the most important things you need to accomplish the next day. I don't care if it's studying for exam, finishing a project on your business, whatever it is, you write it down. Then on day 1, you're gonna roll out of bed, and before you do anything, you're gonna start on that task the first 5 minutes after waking up. Once you can no longer focus, then I want you to go work out, shower, eat breakfast, and carry on with your day. Day number 2, you're gonna use AI to create an infinite money glitch. Look, at the start of this challenge, you're gonna feel real motivated and inspired, like, yo, I can do all of this from my room. So I want you to capture that motivation and make a lot of money using this AI infinite money glitch. Here's how you're gonna do it. Grab your laptop. Remember, you're not leaving your room, so instead of gaming, do this. Go on your laptop and go on Google Maps. And I want you to find as many local businesses in your area as you can. And I want you to collect their phone numbers and their emails and build an Excel sheet. Next, for each business, take a look at their logo. Some might not even have one. You're gonna then use AI logo makers, which you don't have to do any work for, and create a better and more refined logo for them. You will then message that small business with that updated logo, which you can put a watermark on so they don't use it for free. And to make it even easier for you, you can use this email template on screen. So you don't even have to think about what you're gonna write. Most of them will say yes to their email because it's a free logo and you didn't do any hard work. Then you can offer them to build a complete social media branding package, which you'll use AI to create as well. And for this, you can charge them $50 to $100 for the service. As you build a larger and a larger portfolio, you can expand to other neighborhoods, other local towns. Eventually, you'll establish a good relationship with probably over 100 clients that you can easily upsell other services for their business, all of which you can use AI for. Bro, at this point, we're only day 2 inside of my room and you could stop here. You're being more productive starting in the morning, and now I've given you a business that you can work on for the next month and immediately start making money with. Essentially, I made you more rich and more attractive, and you haven't even left your room, but we still have 3 days locked up in here, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I would do. Day 3, you're gonna replace education with entertainment. See, after 3 days of working nonstop locked up in your room, your brain will be depleted of motivation, discipline, and creativity. So I'm gonna show you how to refill all 3 of these with 3 different styles of content I want you to start consuming. To start, if you want to refill motivation, you want to watch movies of men that inspire you, like Braveheart or Hacksaw Ridge, instead of comedies that really don't refill you with anything. Look, if you don't have some of these movies on your Netflix, you can even use this trick. Use a VPN so you can digitally change your location and access a different catalog of movies that are only accessible in other countries. I'm gonna give you an example of this. I personally use Surfshark VPN whenever I'm watching Netflix. For example, me and my girl last week, we watched The Godfather. Obviously, I gotta put her on to The Godfather 2, the sequel, right? Lo and behold, Godfather 2 is not available on Netflix America. So what does your boy do? I pull up Surfshark VPN, I change my location to South Africa, and boom, Godfather 2 is available on Netflix in South Africa. It had the movie that I wanted. This is why having a VPN is so powerful on your phone or on your computer, and Surfshark is one of the best ones to do it. Next, if you want to refill discipline, don't watch movies. Instead, listen to podcasts by great thinkers like Joe Rogan, Lex Friedman, and you want to avoid the pointless podcasts that just react to media drama or anything cultural. You can also watch documentaries about great men like Michael Jordan in The Last Dance or Conor McGregor in Notorious. Instead of just consuming mindless YouTube content, I promise you one of those documentaries, you will be refilled with discipline. And again, if they're not available on your Netflix and I'm recommending these to you, just pick up Surfshark VPN and you'll have an endless catalog of documentaries from around the world that you can always watch. And if you're worried about being able to find the right country, don't even be worried, bro. The reason why I like Surfshark and I'm recommending it to you right now and to download it as a VPN is that they have over 100 country servers. So you can pinpoint your location almost anywhere you want in the world and find them. If you really want to influx your creativity, I want you to listen to impactful music by artists that have changed the world, changed culture, such as like Tupac, Kanye, or Eminem, instead of rappers that only talk about girls, drugs, and money. Now, because you're going to be spending a lot of time online consuming all this content, the last thing you want is these websites tracking your information. So even if you're not using Netflix, you should still be downloading some sort of VPN, and Surfshark's the best one. That way, you are fully protected from malware, data hacking, or targeted ads. It can even get you cheaper flights because some airlines offer cheaper rates if you're in different parts of the country. They also provide a free email generator. So when other companies start selling your email data, you're not slammed with a bunch of spam and garbage emails. If you guys want to check out this VPN, go to surfshark.com/teachingmensfashion for 4 extra months of Surfshark at an unbeatable price. It's gonna be linked in the description. Day 4, I want you to do the daily 100 workout to target every muscle group in your body. Look, after a full 3 days of just being in your room, not going out, your body's gonna be all tight from limited movement. But you can easily counter this and get shredded in your room with the workout I call the Daily 100. First, you're gonna start with 100 push-ups. You're gonna take your time on the decline and then explode on the incline. Do 5 sets of 20 reps. If this is too difficult for you, you can do your push-ups on your knees. And if it's too easy for you, try pushing off from the ground on every rep. Next, you will do 100 squats, and just like the push-ups, you will go slow on the decline and explode on the incline for 5 sets of 20 reps. If it's too hard for you, grab a chair in front of you. If it's too easy for you, I want you to jump off the ground when you explode. Finally, you will do 100 Supermans. You're gonna lay in the ground and raise both your arms and your legs at the same time for 5 sets of 20 reps. You should feel this in your core and in your back. If it's too hard for you, just lift your arms, you don't have to lift your legs. And if it's too easy for you, I want you to hold it at the top portion for 3 seconds. You should time yourself the first day you do this, and then try to beat that time for all 100 movements every time you complete the Daily 100. By using this exercise, you're physically feeling better, you are improving your body, and you are targeting almost every muscle group in your body from your room for free. Day number 5, I'm going to make your room cooler. Look, being almost a week locked up in your room, all those negative side effects of cabin fever, they're starting to pile up. This is the irritability you're feeling from being locked up so much, and you try to cover it up by hitting dopamine every time you hop on social media or play video games. But here's the thing, the man who creates a money-making business spends just as much time indoors as the guy that plays video games all the time. So why is it that the business guy gets so much more done and feels great over the guy that gets nothing done and just plays games all the time? It's because he makes his room awesome. And here's 4 things you can do to make your room cooler for free. First, always open up your curtains for sunlight. Do not remain in a dark room. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which has been proven to improve your mood, your energy levels, and even your testosterone level. Next, if you have a window you can open it for fresh air. This will increase oxygen levels in your room, which boosts brain function and overall just well-being. It feels better. Next, invest in real plants. If you can't afford a plant, go to a nearby garden or park and pick some out, because studies show that having greenery or real plants in your room lowers stress levels and makes you feel calmer. And next, buy a small box. It can be a wooden box, a leather box that you can put right next to your nightstand. Next, whenever you come home, put your keys, your wallet, and your phone in that box. That way, you're never stressing out about something important you lost and you're always on time. And finally, buy some wet wipes. This is the easiest way to clean your room. Anytime you have a movie or a game loading, grab a wet wipe and start wiping down any dusty surfaces or game console. This is going to reduce the amount of dust in your room, so the air quality is better and you also feel better because your room's always clean. I'm telling you boys, look, you don't have to leave your room to level up. You can spend the next 5 days doing everything I just showed you and level up without ever having to leave your room. Your room's not the problem, it's what you're doing in there. It's killing you.